If you use BombBomb to help make your communication more human-centered, then it's time to make your videos more accessible. Your recipients receive hundreds of emails every day, many of which are irrelevant, unsolicited, or simply too hard to engage with in the moment. Making a meaningful connection in the email is a struggle, but it is essential to building trust and making lasting impressions in your recipient's inbox that won't be forgotten. And email can be, well, forgettable. Even personal video messages can get lost in the sea of noise and digital pollution. But we have good news for you. Introducing BombBomb Captions. Our new video captions are focused on a human-centered approach to communication that allows your videos to be more accessible than ever before. Now your BombBomb videos will automatically generate video captions so you can build better business relationships through video and be more inclusive in your communication, not to mention ADA compliant. In addition to live captions, a transcript will also be viewable alongside the video. This feature not only allows for greater compliance, but your recipient will be able to quickly read through everything said in the video if they're not able to watch it, hard of hearing, or if they have a learning style that's simply not suited to video. Transcripts are also timestamped, so your recipient can simply jump to any part of the video with just a simple click. If you're ready to deliver a truly inclusive and human-centered email experience with video captions and transcriptions, get started with a BombBomb Plus or Team subscription today.